Hi, this is David with eminitradingstrategies.com. Another video discussing day trading on the Dow E-minis. We're later in the afternoon. I get the question, does the system work in the afternoon? And the answer is yes, it does. Matter of fact, looking at Dow, I'm on a 144 tick. Our normal system entries are all good for anywhere from 5 to 20 points. Even the pullbacks are good for nice 3 to 5, 6 point scalps. Very nice. Another winning trade here is about 2 o'clock, 2:15. We actually just missed another normal system entry right here. Another nice short normal system entry. So we catch the Dow Minis is a great market to trade, especially for newer traders with less capital. It's only $5 a tick. You don't make a ton of money, but if you're making 20, 30 Dow points a day, that's 100 to 150 bucks a day per contract. You can actually make a pretty decent living day trading the Dow Minis as well as the S&P. A lot of our traders trade the Dow Minis or the 30-year bonds, the 10-year notes, of course the S&P 500 E-minis. That's what I trade, but I do trade these other markets as well. I was hoping we'll be able to catch a trade. There's not too much going on. I have to keep these videos short. It's only got about 7 to 8 minutes for videos. But we do have a potential trade, a pullback trade right here at 92.82. Well, we could wait for a normal system entry. If I was taking a pullback trade off of a 144 tick, I'd go for 4 to 5 ticks. If I was taking a normal system entry, I typically go for about 10 ticks on a 144 if I'm trading off a higher tick chart. And I hope I'll have the ability to do a video on a higher tick chart, but the problem with a higher tick chart like a 700 is that the trades take so long to cook. I'll well go exceed the 10 minutes or the 9 minutes that I have for a video, and you just won't be able to see the whole trade. So the opportunity to take a 20 to 50 point Dow move is right there, trading off of a higher term chart such as a 7 or 800 tick. A technique that I use to stay in Dow trades is, well, basically I like to see 5 or 6 points profit. I'm going for 10, but if I see, what I look at is I look at the lows, see if they're making higher lows. If they start breaking like it did right here, I'd have probably jumped off with just a small profit. But if you get a lot of conviction like you do right here, there really wasn't about 5 points yet to make, so you'd have still stayed in a trade. As it turned back down, you probably would have jumped out about right here. That's when I do it. Now, if you run a trailing stop, whether it be manual or with an auto trader, we of course have an auto trader system available as well. You maybe run a 10 to 12, 15 point trailing stop, you'd have caught probably most of this whole move down. So at this point, unfortunately, there's not a whole lot to trade off of. It is about 3:10 in the afternoon. We missed a good trade, would have been a winner, and we missed we missed a few good trades, unfortunately. I wanted to at least show one more good trade, but it's not looking too good. I'll give it a couple minutes. If something comes up, we'll place a trade. If not, I'll still post a video so at least you get to see it. We're getting a pretty big response. You guys want to keep seeing videos, so we like to put them out there. In fact, I may pause this video for a few minutes and let the market pick up steam, let it get close to a trade. In fact, let's pause it. I'll be back shortly. Okay, we're back. We possibly have a good pullback setting up. I'm going to go ahead and place a long entry at 92.83, 10 contracts. I'm going to go for a 5 tick stop. I'm sorry, a 5 tick profit with an 8 tick stop. Let's see what it wants to do. Now it looks like it wants to run back up. I'm going to go ahead and cancel the order and go back to pause. Maybe we'll wait for a normal system entry. Alright, we're back. We're going to give another shot at a pullback here at 92.86. Pro indicator showing me where to place my entry. See if this wants to come down here. If it Doesn't happen soon. We'll probably wrap this video up. I'll still post the video up as it's good to see the market. You know, like I said, a lot of you guys ask about the afternoon. Is it viable to trade? I will do a S&P video as well. But trading the Dow Minis, you can see plenty of opportunity to make a nice income there. So we'll just see if this wants to come down here and give us a fill. Now let's see if we can get filled here at 86. Catch a quick pullback trade. Of course, there's not a lot of volume this time of year. We're still in the summer months. That's one thing worth noting. Fills are still good trading the Dow, but it's not as liquid as the S&P or some other markets, but still a great viable market to trade. But you'll see we've touched at 86 and we're still not filled. Typically the July, August, beginning of September is pretty much the very slow time, summertime. So it's not always, you don't always get filled on trades that would have been nice winners, which this one could possibly be. I mean, here it is already. We're very close. There's our target. I mean, it's hit my target. I have to cancel the trade. Now, why do I cancel the trade? Well, the trade's over. Pro indicator signaled a pullback trade. My personal target based on this tick chart was 5 ticks. It came down. I mean, it printed there. Somebody was filled there. Otherwise, price wouldn't have been there. And it came up to my target. So had we been filled, we'd have seen a really nice trade. A nice 5-tick winner, a 5-point winner. Would have been about $25 per contract. Just a small scalp. Normal system entry, I'd go for a little more. But unfortunately, we didn't catch a trade on this one, but I'll still post this up. At least give you an idea of the validity of the tick trader day trading system on the Dow Minis, trading in the afternoon, right? So we again thank you for watching. We'll continue to produce these videos as often as we can. If you have any questions at all, feel free to contact me at david@eminitradingstrategies.com. Thank you.